Welcome back to our YouTube channel, where we provide you the tips to maintain your health in every way possible. Let me tell you that maintaining your health requires a lot of efforts and is influenced by various factors. Some such factors include your age, working schedules, lifestyle, your profession, and your income. Yes, money is one of the most important factors when it comes to your diet and health. How much do we spend and where do we spend it is highly likely to affect our body, especially when it comes to our food choices. When you are trying to eat healthy, the basic idea that comes to our mind is that healthy food is always expensive. Let me tell you that no matter how fascinating it sounds, not all those expensive veggies and exotic fruits solve the purpose. Nutrition can be achieved even with the local produce right behind your house at the next grocery store. You just need a little creativity and some smart choices. Investment in health requires strategies and mindfulness. Here comes our video today, where we are going to help you make healthy eating easy, affordable, and budget-friendly. Today we are up with tips and tricks about what food to include in your kitchen, and at last some delicious snack ideas that are packed with nutrients, easy to prepare, time saver, can be made in just 5 to 10 minutes and won't be heavy on your pockets. So stay tuned till the end. But before we get going, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do it now. Please press the bell icon below. Now let's get back to what we were talking. Before we dive into the snacks, it's important to have a small discussion about how much of our food should be cooked and till what extent. It is nothing new to note that some of our foods should be cooked and others can be served raw. The edibility quotient of a food item is crucial. We can differentiate it on the basis of categories. For example, foods such as nuts, fruits and vegetables can be eaten raw, while others like meats and grains should be cooked or boiled to avoid foodborne illnesses and make them edible. It is essential to follow the recommended cooking temperatures and timing for any given food item, and it varies throughout the world. Apart from the cooking timings and temperatures, also remember to always wash your hands and surfaces before and after handling food. Every cuisine has a way of cooking and each has their own benefits. We let you free to decide on that on the basis of where you belong. Now let us discuss the food and snacks as promised. First up, let us talk about everyone's favorite, that is fruit. Do you know that fruits are an excellent source of vitamins and minerals? Adding fruit in your daily diet is an excellent snack choice. Fruits, especially seasonal ones, are usually affordable. Apples, bananas, oranges, pears and many more such fruits are all relatively not very expensive all over the globe. You can also consider frozen fruits, as they are great for making smoothies or snacking on its own. Fruits are low on calories and fats and supply us with antioxidants and flavonoids. Let us talk about veggies. Apart from being a great snack option, vegetables are an excellent source of nutrients too. No matter where you are, vegetables are the most important part of our daily food. We simply can't do without it. We can have it as a salad, a side to our steak, or a snack. Vegetables are usually fresh produce that are cheaper and can be bought in just a few dollars. Carrots, cucumbers, celery, and bell peppers are some of the great options that can be paired up with a variety of dips like hummus or Greek yogurt. Not only are they fulfilling to eat, but also great to your body. You can also eat some vegetables in roasted form, if you prefer your veggies cooked. You just need to chop them, toss in some olive oil and season it and roast them in the oven for a good 20 to 30 minutes. Roasting veggies like sweet potatoes or Brussels sprouts are a great option for a more filling snack. Roasting vegetables gives them a crispy texture and bring out their natural flavors, making them delicious to eat. Plus, roasting uses dry heat and requires no water, so it minimizes the nutrient loss. Now let us move to some protein sources. As expensive as meat can be, eggs are always a great and budget-friendly option for snacks. Eggs are packed with protein that is required for muscle building. Eggs are affordable, versatile, and easy to cook. It takes just a few minutes to boil. Hard-boiled eggs can be prepared in advance and eaten on the go. Greek yogurt is another great protein source. Comparably, it is often cheaper than other dairy products. You can pair it with a fruit or a granola for a filling snack. Nuts and seeds are also excellent sources of protein, healthy fats, and various other nutrients. Almonds, peanuts, and sunflower seeds work as a great add-ons in a smaller amount. Now let me tell you something surprising. What if I tell you one healthy snack is popcorn? Yes, plain popcorn kernels are inexpensive and they can be prepared on the stovetop or in the microwave right by yourself. The catch here is that they should be air-popped with a light seasoning. The flavored varieties that you get outside are better off as an occasional treat. However, you can add healthy toppings such as nutritional yeast or a pinch of cinnamon to add some flavor. Finally, let us talk about some homemade snacks that can be done by yourself within minutes. Making your own snacks at home is always cheaper and healthier than buying prepackaged snacks, as it gives you more quality control over what goes inside your body and you can choose the standards of your ingredients. When it comes to snacking, it is important that the ingredients you choose are nutrient-rich and low in added sugars and unhealthy fats. But remember that just because you are on a budget, it doesn't mean that you have to sacrifice on the taste. One great way here is to make small meals that are easy to make in just 5 minutes. These meals should be simple, satisfying and provide balanced amount of protein, healthy fats, and complex carbs. So, let's get started with some quick recipes of healthy snacks that are perfect for any time of the day. First, let us make a smoothie that is rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber. Smoothies are always fulfilling and super convenient to boost your energy. 1 cup of frozen berries. 1 banana. 1 cup of spinach. 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. 1 cup of almond milk. You just need to simply add all the ingredients to a blender and blend it until smooth. If you like your smoothies to be thicker, you can add more of those frozen berries or less amount of almond milk. This smoothie is perfect to start your day as a quick breakfast or even as a post-workout drink. Now in our next recipe, we are going to make a healthy trail mix of protein, fats, and fiber. For this, we require 1 cup of raw almonds. 1 cup of raw peanuts. 1 cup of dried cranberries or raisins. 1 cup of pumpkin seeds. 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt. Simply mix all the ingredients together in a bowl and store in an airtight container. This trail mix is perfect for snacking on the go, and you can even sprinkle it on top of yogurt or oatmeal for an extra boost of nutrients. Finally, let us make a delicious and easy hummus dip that is perfect for dipping vegetables or a whole grain crackers. For this we need 1 can of chickpeas, drained and rinsed. 2 tablespoons of tahini. 2 cloves of minced garlic. 1/4 cup of lemon juice. 1/4 cup of olive oil. Salt and pepper to taste. Just add all the ingredients to a food processor and blend it until smooth. The consistency can be adjusted as per your choice by adding more or less olive oil. You can also opt for different flavors by adding stuff like roasted red peppers, sun-dried tomatoes, or fresh herbs. Hummus is a great source of fibers, proteins, and heart-healthy fats. If you're looking for something which is a little more filling, a sandwich or a wrap is a great option. For sandwich you can use whole grain bread, lots of veggies, and even lean meat. Wraps on the other hand are similar to sandwich, but instead of bread you use a tortilla. You can fill the wrap with veggies and grilled chicken. This will give you the energy you need to power for the day. Finally, a snack plate is the ultimate option for the ones who likes to indulge throughout the day. Now in such large meals, preparation is the key. Simply grab your choice of snacks, like a fruit, veggies, nuts and cheese, and arrange them on a plate. If you prefer your snack plate as a lunch meal, take liberty pair them ahead of time. Consider packing these in a lunchbox instead. This way you won't fall for the unhealthy options when the hunger strikes. This gives you a variety of flavors and textures to keep you satisfied throughout the day or even if you are at work. So there you have it guys, easy and affordable snacks that are packed with nutrients and flavor. I hope you found our video and these ideas helpful. If you have any other budget-friendly snack ideas, please feel free to share them in the comment section below. This will help all our viewers all together. Always remember that eating healthy doesn't have to be expensive. With a little smartness and preparation you can have a delicious and nutritious snacks at your fingertips. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about healthy snacking on a budget. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.